Welcome to MET Academy. I'm Leanne McDonald, and today I'm going to show you how to add a lower third title into a video. First, open up Premiere Pro into your project. Then move your CTI over where you want the title to be. Select Browse and then the star. Once you do that, you select MET lower third HD. Then drag it over where you want the title to be in your video. Click on the title, and then you will be able to change what you want to say in the title. Once you do that, you now have your lower third title into your video. Thank you for watching. This has been Leanne McDonald for MET Academy.